here on Angel Lyons.
Oh, okay, very well.
I'm sorry, I should have changed it before I came in here, but
Your wife is
I
here as
can't.
well?
I don't know if she's here yet or not.
I'm his sister, Judge. That's my brother.
Sister, I'm sorry, sister, I'm sorry. Is
He thought
here.
you said client.
All right, so let's go ahead and get going.
Well, that's why I checked in here first.
Officer Mose, let me put the spotlight on her. You're on Zoom.
Okay, you ready? Good morning. The State of Michigan Detroit Court is now a section with the honor of Perkins, Sabree Perkins.
No. Sean B. Perkins.
Oh, Sean B. Perkins. While the court is in session, we ask you to keep your devices on silent until we call. There will be no talking, no smoking, no drinking, no driving while on Zoom. We ask, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, let's go ahead and get going. You're here, Mr. Soroki, on who? Are you ready? Okay. All right. City of Detroit versus Diamond Linda Lemons, case number SP 127-35431, SP 128-1277, SP 136-2273, counts 1, 2, and 3 appear for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lemons.
Diamond Linda Lemons.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty in your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. You want a trial date, right, Ms. Lemons? You're gonna go try to go get your license?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about what you need to do?
No. Okay, so it's only one. How many tickets do I have to pay to get my license?
It looks like you only owe this $240 ticket. Now this just with 36th district. I don't know if you've been racking up tickets all over Southeast Michigan or not, but with the court here, you have just the one ticket that's affecting your license. That's the no insurance, $240. You pay that, you wait. You have to pay that down here, pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, or upload the DivDac app to your phone. I'm told you can do that. Or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. And then you would wait 48 to 72 hours and then approach the Secretary of State for a valid driver's license. All right.
Okay, and then it's not going to be like a reinstatement fee.
I'm sure they may have their own reinstatement fees there, but the $240 is the cost of the ticket and the reinstatement fee here. So that'll cover both of them.
Oh, okay.
All right. Any other questions?
No, that's it.
All right. Have a very good day, ma'am. Come back on October the 11th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
This is the City of Detroit versus Rashetta Lockhart, case number 05331101. State your name for the record, Ms. Lockhart, please. Ms. Lockhart. Okay, now I'm not getting her. You have to unmute yourself.
Rashetta Lockhart.
All right, today is the date and time set for review. I guess, you know, you kind of got off a little easy on this one, Ms. Lockhart, because of the time since the incident, and so you didn't do what pretty much everyone else that I come in front of me is ordered to do. But you did pay, and you didn't get in any more trouble, so we're gonna close this out. Let me make sure before I speak too soon. So, is Ms. Bumpus is Ms. Bumpus her probation officer? Yeah, have you talked to Ms. Bumpus at all, Ms. Lockhart?
Yes, I spoke with her, and I was supposed to go see her on the 3rd, but she told me something about a Tiger game, and I was fine because I had paid everything, and I had been dropping Queen and everything. So we just spoke on the phone, and I had watched the video and took the quiz, and she said it was not necessary for me to come in.
All right, let me get Ms. Bumpus in here right quick, and then if that's all what you say it is, we'll get you out of here in momentarily, all right?
Yes, sir.
Pass the mic. Hector, Piazzi.
Hello? No speaking English. Sorry. Hello?
Hold on one second.
Muy bien. Hello?
Un momento, sir.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm sitting here, so I can't give you a name. Hold on.
Oh.
Is that Calvin Anthony Lee?
Yes.
Hold on a second, hold on. Let me go on and recess momentarily. Hello?
Mm. Morning. Hey, Chief, you all right? Good.
She's making a surprise visit. All right. Calvin Lee,
Yes.
morning to you. Is this Calvin Anthony Lee?
Yes.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. Versus Calvin Anthony Lee, case number SP 129-52131, SP 132-2337, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 139-9445, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 139-9465, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 140-49962, SP 140-76831, SP 143-9684, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 145-67191, SP 983-1141, U 687-00124, B 122-9092, 18-3367-581, and state of Michigan versus Calvin Anthony Lee, SX 354-37642. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Lee.
Mr. Lee, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Calvin Lee, good morning, you too.
Good morning.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. So, Ms. Soroki,
You're going to waive the formal reading of the information, standing mute to the charges. I ask that all those outstanding bench warrants be set aside.
you are not guilty plea in your client's behalf. You give your client a $0 bond. Your client is, where is Mr. Lee? You just owe a number of civil infractions. You have a number of cases. This we don't even need to go through all of them, but he owes at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No insurance civils that is affecting his license. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki. Each of the misdemeanors are going to be a $240 fine. The offer should be in the file. And You have an absolute right to a trial. You have an absolute right to a trial, so she'll review the offer with you. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, please.
ARVI.
Weird ass goddamn goose.
Wait a minute. Somebody's got to watch their mouth. LaQuanda Garrett. LaQuanda Garrett.
Here,
Good morning to you, man.
morning. You did say LaQuanda Gary, right?
I did.
Okay,
I'm waiting. Just give me a second.
okay, good morning.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus LaQuanda Renee Garrett, case number SB 1580458, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Garrett.
LaQuanda Renee Garrett.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Garrett, do you have valid insurance in place, and valid registration?
I got a chance to get the insurance, but not the plate. I have the insurance.
When can you get the plates, ma'am?
In a couple weeks.
Come back on a pre-trial for September 19th, 2024 at 8:30, okay?
Yes, sir.
There's nothing further. Have a very good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Make sure you bring both insurance and plates, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're free to leave.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Mr. Ledford, did you ever get an appointed attorney? Did an appointed attorney ever call you?
No, sir.
You never got a call from an attorney?
Not as I can recall. No, sir.
All right, well, we're gonna wait, and we're waiting on Ms. Bumpus. She hasn't. Morning, Officer McLean. I'm gonna put you in breakout room. Okay, that's McLean, Ledford. Now, Mr. Berry, speak to Mr. Ledford. He did request an appointed attorney. So, see what's going on, and if it's something that, you know, I know it's a disregard to officer's signal, the officer is here. Let's see what happens, and speak to Ms. Mason about it. He never got the call from the appointed attorney though, according to him. So let me put you in a breakout room with him.
Yes, Your Honor.
The offer should be in the file. Good morning, Mr. Johnson.
Good morning, Judge.
You have your client here?
They're not with me. I can call them if they're not on, Miss Owens and Miss Lee.
No, they're not on.
Okay, will do.
Miss Mason, can you come in a breakout room, please?
4, go to 4.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
Yes, Angel Lyons hasn't appeared yet, and I've talked to her several times. If I can, I'd like to leave and come back in a half hour and see if she appears by then.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you. Have a good day. Good morning.
Jamar Lawson.
Yes,
Good morning to you, sir.
good morning.
Trial set for the day. Lawson, the officer hasn't checked in. We'll give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock. If they don't check in by 9:30, we'll get you out of here. If they do, we'll get you to speak with the lawyer, all right?
Okay.
Mr. Lawson, did you ever get contacted by an attorney?
No, sir.
All right. What's going on? That's not in here. It's not in. There's no appointment here. We usually final right there. We attorney this map is usually fills it out on the spot. And then sends it in. She doesn't get confirmation on the spot. It appears that that form is not even in here somewhere. Gordon Johns, good morning to you. Officer Harrington, good morning to you. Are we ready on Mr. Lee?
We are, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Calvin Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your plan?
Your Honor, I did speak with my client, and I also had an opportunity to speak with Ms. Mason. She would have no objection to actually bifurcating the charges and letting my client enter the plea regarding the traffic offense and setting the U ticket and the V ticket, which would be operating a place of legal occupation and no cabaret license trial date separately, if the court would agree to that.
Why don't we just clear it all up on trial date?
That's fine.
Yeah, I mean, it's same difference, right?
Sure.
Is there a legal reason or strategical reason why?
Well, I just thought it was a good offer. It wouldn't prevent him from getting his driver's license, and you never know who the next city attorney might be on the trial date, so.
The driver's license, he's gonna need to pay at least all of these no insurance civil infractions to get a driver's license. I listed off at least 5 of them. And that just goes with the city. I mean, the city of Detroit. I don't know. I can only imagine he's probably got tickets, and I'm just assuming that he's probably got tickets in other jurisdictions as well, based on all of these. Unless all he does is offend in the city of Detroit and get these allegations in the city of Detroit. So, he can pay those, and that would go a long way for him to see if he can get a license, at least have his clearances here. And he can do that within the time now, and that would help him on some, if he brings a license in, it would help him moving forward on some of these driver license suspended charges, I imagine.
No.
It's all the no proof of insurance offenses, sir.
No proof of insurance civil. They all have $240 attached to them. You owe a lot more money, but those are the ones that you're not gonna, if you don't pay those, then you're not gonna be able to get a license. And again, you still may not be able to get a license, but at least that will prevent you from, it stops you from doing that, getting with the 36th District Court building clearances. So I'm going to give you a trial date of October 11th, 2024 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Who's on this www.36 District Court? Sign in like that. Who's on the iPhone 132?
Hey, what's going on, sir? This is Officer Eason for Tobias Lane.
Officer Eason, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Officer Gomez, good morning to you. Officer Robinson, good morning to you. Who's on the 36th District Court? That's Mr. Gino Lyons. Good morning to you. Lawson is set for trial. Hinkle still has some time. Officer Hinkle still has some time. That gets me down to Jalen Little.
Hello, sir.
How you doing?
Well, I could be saying I'm doing better.
You could be.
Yes, sir. Because I had a recent problem during my time of getting my license. I had an injury obtained to my eye because you told me to go to the court and I can pay a $50 fine and I will be able to get my license back. But I haven't been driving, but I'm right now I'm able to okay, hold on, let me start the video. Sorry, sir. So right now I'm able to do the driving, but at the time I was not able to because I couldn't function very well. But now I'm able to drive and handle my business, sir.
Well, today is the date and time set for trial now. Franklin is here, so we'll work it out one way or another. I think Franklin is here.
Yep, Officer Franklin here.
Where's Officer Franklin?
Officer Franklin here.
Oh, good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right. Let's we can call it right now. City of Detroit versus Jalen Demetrius Little. Case number SP 1465029, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SP 146534661. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Little.
Officer Franklin, good morning to you. Put your appearance on the record, please. Where's Officer Franklin? You went in the room already? Put him in the room? I didn't put him in the room. Officer Franklin, are you there?
Yep.
Can you, good morning, you can put your appearance on the record, please?
Yep, Officer Franklin here, 8th Precinct, Detroit Police Department.
Today is the date and time set. State your name for the record.
Jalen Little.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. The offer as it stands now is pleading to failure to display, $240 fine, and a 1 to 5. That's a $125 fine. Both of them will abstract. Both of them considered moving violations. It's my understanding if you don't have a license now, then it probably will affect you from getting a license for the next 2 years. Some say that you have it's got to be driver's license never acquired. I'm not 100% on that. So $240 fine and $125 fine. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki and you can have a conversation with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, right?
All right.
Go in the room, please. On the iPhone, I just asked you to unmute yourself. Good morning to you.
Miss Terry Loman.
Loman?
Yes.
You come to dress for court. Is that Mr. Loman there?
Yes.
You got the no shirt, Dallas Cowboy was that how you dress for court?
I just try to get down here real quick.
It's not an excuse, sir. Trying to get down here real quick. You don't come to court. You don't. To me, you're not taking it seriously. That's how it looks to me. You got your sleeves out and stuff like that.
No sleeves.
No sleeves. I expect that out of a 20-year-old or something.
I'm sorry.
I expect it out. I'm not your man.
Oh, sir, I'm sorry. It's right there. We go.
Are you another? On the iPhone, you're there on the iPhone. What's your name, sir?
Miles Livingston.
Livingston. set for trial as well too. All right, Mr. Berry, are you ready on this one? You ready on left?
Ready on, yes, Your Honor, ready on Ledford.
Let's call it. City of Detroit versus Henry Lamar Ledford Jr., case number SB 148022251. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Ledford.
Henry Lamar Ledford Jr.
Your Honor.
Yeah, today is the date and time set for a trial. I'm going to bring Officer McLean out. I did offer that Mr. Ledford did request an appointed attorney. However, there was one, I can see that no one called him because there was no notice of appointment in the file. Were you able to work something out?
Yes, Your Honor. Per the prosecutor, this matter is to be dismissed.
Okay, so we don't have to have it. I know there's no objection for you. Officer McLean, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, sir. Police officer Cedric McLean, badge 4012 with the Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. All right, I'm going to dismiss the case. Let's see. All right.
Yes, sir.
There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Be safe out there, Officer McLean, and you too, Mr. Ledford.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate you guys, and you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you, Your Honor.
Waiving the warrant fee as well. Have a good day, sir. You're welcome.
Okay.
All right. Let's go with Les.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. All right, what we're going to do, Mr. Gillespie, I give the officer a half-hour grace period. They haven't showed yet. It's 9:13. If they don't show by 9:30, we'll call and get you out of here. If they do show, then we will give you an opportunity to speak to counsel about it. All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Lyons, you as well. I did spell your name wrong. Apologize for that. Your matter is set for 9 o'clock. I give the officer a half-hour grace period. So if they don't show, we'll get you out of here. If they do show by 9:30, then we will give you an opportunity to give your lawyer an opportunity to retry the case. All right. Oh, Ms. Cox, good morning to you.
Morning, Ron. Good morning.
Paz on the line. I don't know. I don't have a case number or anything. Can you communicate with them and give us a case number, please?
Sí, señor Páez, Héctor Páez, yo soy la intérprete de hoy. El juez me pidió que si usted tiene el número de su caso, por favor me lo dé.
He should be hearing you.
Yeah, I think so. ¿Me oye, señor Páez?
Sí, señora.
He said, yeah, he's hearing me. ¿Tiene el número de su caso?
Me dieron esto.
Ok, ahí debe estar. Empieza con SP, lo más probable. He's showing it, Your Honor. Ask him to read it to us.
Starting with SP.
Empieza con SP. SP15, SP14, algo así. Y es un número como 8 números.
Sí. SP 15, 86, 49, 83.
So 15864983.
Supposed to be in front of Judge Kenyatta Stanford Jones. Let me make sure.
El juez dice que cree que debe estar enfrente de la jueza de apellido Jones, pero está revisando para estar seguro.
Stanford Jones is courtroom 434, correct? 435, correct?
You are 434, Your Honor, so she may be 435.
I think she's 435. She's 435. So you need to hang up and call courtroom 435.
Dice que sí, que le toca con una juez de apellido Jones, es el casi el mismo número, entonces cuelgue y conéctese con el número 360-435-0000.
Gracias.
Okay, thank you. And Your Honor, would you like me to go there?
Please.
Okay. Y yo también voy para allá en caso de que no haya intérprete. Oh, he left. I will too, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Better one, thank you. All right, on the iPhone 2, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Joe, put the hat on there. Take your hat off, sir. Please.
Yes,
What's
sir.
your name?
Nicholas Glaster, sir.
Glaster?
Yes, sir.
All right, spell the Glaster. I'm thinking it's Glaster.
Yes, Glaster.
$8:45, Your Honor.
Okay, I missed it. He has other cases that are in warrant status. Okay, let's see. Let's call them. The other ones are set. Other cases are set for trial. City of Detroit versus Nicholas Glaster, case number SP 140-39171, SP 14737, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1519005, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1566981. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Glaster.
Nicholas Glaster.
All right. Morning, today is the date time. We'll call it set for a show cause, but it's arraignment on the warrant as well. What we call these warrants. I enter not guilty on his behalf. I'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Berry that went along with the file ticket that's on the file is one no insurance on the file, and then you have a license improper 2 more no insurances misdemeanors, so for a total of 3 no insurance misdemeanors. 2 driver's license never acquired. So I have 2 driver's license never acquired, 3 no insurance misdemeanors, and 1 license. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cases. Mr. Blaster, you also owe 175 for a whole failure to stop, another 170 for a 1 to 5 over the speed limit. Those were old cases. I'm going to give you an opportunity either to set a pre-trial date and see if you can get a driver's license, because I don't see anything here that's affecting your license, and come back.
I got it, Your Honor. I already obtained my driver's license.
Run it for me, please. Okay, one moment. Let me run the driver's license. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Bumpus, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lockhart. Ms. Lockhart, Ms. Bumpus, we're on the record with Ms. Rochetta Lockhart. She indicated that she's completed everything. She doesn't have any positive tests, and she's tested and done everything. Is that what your understanding of the case is?
Yes, that is correct, Your Honor. If you'd like, I can give you a report. She was placed on, for the record, Your Honor.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm sorry, for the record, Your Honor, Lori Bumpus on behalf of probation. Your Honor, Ms. Lockhart was placed on probation April 15th of 2024 for a period of 6 months. Today is her 3rd month review hearing. Since that time, she has tested the schedule. There have been no positive tests. She also viewed the consequences video. She's paid all her fines and costs. She completed the Victims Impact Panel April 13th of this year. She's also completed alcohol highway safety education. That was on May the 5th. So there are no other outstanding conditions, and she does not owe any other monies to 36th District Court, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Lockhart. Thank you, Ms. Bumpus. I'm congratulating you, Ms. Lockhart, on that. I know it's been a long road. Probably part of it a lot to do with you not showing up, but you satisfied the conditions. I'm satisfied with not dismissing, but closing the matter out. Okay, Ms. Lockhart?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
And I'm going to wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Have a very good day, and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Thank you, Ms. Bumpus. You have a better one. Morning, Broxton. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Blaster. I do have a valid license. I'm going to congratulate you on that, sir. And give Mr. Blaster an updated offer. Mr. Berry, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, and get him an updated offer, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor.
You need to go to 4. To go to 4 first with Miss Mason. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right. No, I'm going to send you to 2. You join the room and wait on Mr. Berry. All right, Mr. Glass. All right. Pass the matter. Are we ready on Little?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Jalen Demetrius Little. Mr. Little, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, so we did renegotiate the offer. My client would be allowed to plead to expired plate would be amended to allowing a licensed driver to drive. He would admit 1 to 5 over on the unsafe manner, and the other counts are being dismissed. He's waiving his rights, asking court to adopt that.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Little?
Yes, sir.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Now you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rookie went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to June 8th, 2023 at around 4:56 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Grand River and Bird. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You could not do so, could you, sir?
No, sir.
Why is that?
It was expired.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing. $240 is going to be defined, and I'll dismiss upon payment. Were you speeding on that day, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Find him responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5. $125. The fine on that. We'll close it out upon payment. Stipulation of proper cause will dismiss the other matters.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
And I'm going to waive the warrant fee, pay any reinstatement fee, if there's any. I'm going to give you, what can you pay it, sir?
I would have to get I would need time, sir. I would need time, probably like 30 days, 20 days, something like that.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 30 days to either pay it, or I'm going to mark the file allowed payment plan. Come back on August 16th. Either have it paid, we'll dismiss the case, or get into a payment plan by that time. You have to come down to the court. I think they asked 20% to get into that payment plan. All right.
Okay, and one quick question, sir. After because I remember I didn't go do the one thing you told me to do. After I go pay the $50 fine, will I be able to go to the Secretary of State and reinstate my license?
As long as it's not a reinstatement fee on that $45, no insurance. If there is, you're gonna have to pay that $45. You can go to the and once you clear up that no insurance. If it's zeroed out today, then it will be, you can go get a license in 48 to 72 hours. At least as it relates to these tickets down here at the 36th District Court. I don't know about other jurisdictions, but if there's a $45 reinstatement fee on that no insurance, you need to pay that first, and then you can go get a driver's license, or at least you'll be clear to get a driver's license.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
All right, have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Who's on the Zoom user? The young lady, Zoom user.
Yes, Amanda Lee.
Amanda.
Yes.
That's one of your clients, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor, Amanda Lee is. If I
Do
could.
they go together? Are the two together, or you just have two on one day?
I have two individuals. One didn't sign on, and I just needed a breakout room with Miss Lee. I had spoken with Miss Mason already.
Is this Amanda Jean Lee?
No.
What's your middle name, ma'am?
LaFonda, Lafounda.
Put you in a breakout room, Mr. Johnson. He's going to go over it all with you. Deshaun, what's Deshaun?
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you. What's your last name?
Lawless.
Say that again.
Lawless. LAWLESS.
City of Detroit versus Deshaun William Lawless, case number SP 142-61201, SP 144-15921. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Lawless.
Strike that. You don't need the appearance. These are review. Mr. Lawless, state your name for the record, please. Turn your camera on.
My camera don't work, Your Honor.
We're gonna have to get you in here then. You didn't pay, you didn't do anything.
Yeah, I know. It's been hard out here. I've been really homeless for real, so it's been kind of hard for me.
Are you still homeless, sir?
I just got in a home, not even a day ago, and I'm really just trying to get myself back together. I really been, house to house, really been living outside. I ain't really had nowhere to go, so it's been kind of hard for me to pay. And I was gonna try to pay the full amount this month, but if I couldn't, I was gonna at least pay half, so it look like I'm doing something, so it look like I'm just not paying nothing. But yeah, it's been hard out here.
Listen. If you need some housing help, then you need to say something now so I can get somebody in here to see if they can help.
I just got help. I live with my mother, so we just got in the house. So I'm currently just got in the house like a day ago.
Come back on August 16th. I'm giving you a month. I'm gonna also allow payment plan. I'm happy that you got into some housing. I wish you would have called earlier and let us know what the situation was, but I'm happy that you got it taken care of. And come back on August 16th for another review. Let's see where you're at on that date, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, make sure your camera works next time. I need to see who I'm talking to.
Okay.
Your Honor, I need Mr. Glaster in a breakout room.
It
kept sending me the breakout room too. I was in there by myself.
Go in there. That's the one you're supposed to be in. Go back in there, please.
Okay. Sorry about that.
Sorry. City of Detroit versus City of Detroit versus Gino Marcus Lyons, case number SP 1509141. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lyons.
Good morning, sir.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Lyons.
Take your name for the record, Mr. Lyons, please.
Gino Marcus Lyons.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Is Officer Zeringer here? Officer Zeringer, hearing no response, it is now 9:34. Want to make a motion, Counselor?
Your Honor, this time it is the date and time set for trial. The officer has not appeared. I'm moving for dismissal.
Case is going to be dismissed. Mr. Lyons, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
All right.
Good day as well.
You too, thank you. Miles Livingston.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Miles Jamal. Livingston, case number 254-877-019. And SP 154-67231. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, behalf of the defendant.
All right, Mr. Livingston, state your name for the record, please.
Miles Livingston.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there an officer Sage or an officer Fredericks? I see neither in the breakout room and don't hear anybody. It's now 9:36. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, it is a date and time set for trial. The officer has not appeared. I'm moving for dismissal of both charges.
Case dismissed. Mr. Livingston, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Appreciate you. You do the same. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jamar Edwin Lawson, case number SP 1544031. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Roki.
Yes, Mr. Lawson.
Mr. Lawson, take your name, please, for the record.
Jamar Edwin.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Is Officer Kinkle here? Officer Kinkle, hearing no response, go ahead, Counselor.
It is a date and time set for trial, Your Honor. The people are not ready to proceed. I'm moving for dismissal.
Case is going to be dismissed. Mr. Lawson, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Let's go ahead with what happened with Gillespie?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Marlon Ronald Gillespie, case number SP 1550946, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 155-12871. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, behalf
Yes.
Gillespie.
Mr. Gillespie, state your name for the record, please.
Marlon Ronald Gillespie, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Is Officer Lucas here? Officer Lucas. Hearing no response and not having seen that officer check in, it is now 9:39. Okay, Counselor.
Your Honor, it is a date and time set for trial. The officer has not appeared. I'm moving for dismissal.
But not so people in here.
Hold on, Ms. Glenn. Case is going to be dismissed. No officer. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gillespie, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Blaster, let's go back on the record with Blaster. Mr. Berry, did you work something out with Mr. Blaster?
As it turns out, Your Honor, the court has confirmed that he has a valid license, and I can confirm that he has a valid insurance. So as to all counts, we seek dismissal for valid documents.
I'm going to dismiss the case with provide valid documentation. Mr. Blaster, you still owe that 175 and 170. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Hey, sir, Your Honor.
Yes.
Is it possible that I could pay those fines with some community service?
Yes. 12 hours of community service. What's your phone number, sir?
313-687-5847.
You have an ink pen?
Yes, sir.
I want you to write the number down, Miss Green's number.
I think I have it because you didn't let me settle some issues with community service before, so I still got Miss Green number in the probation department.
She should call you. I'm putting in the file, refer to Miss Green for community service.
Okay.
She should, if she doesn't call you,
Then I'll call her.
then you'll call her or get back in touch with the court. You should. I'm gonna have you back next month on the August 16th, okay? 8:25. It's nothing further, sir. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you. All right, thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
You too.
All right. What's your name, sir? Terrence. One more time. Terrence Loman. Spell it for me, please. W-L-O-W-M-A-N-C-E-R-R-A-C-A-N-C. You're not supposed to be here until next week. Yeah, you got a valid license? They want to do. Can you get a license? Yes, sir. Why haven't you got one? Who told you that? I didn't tell you that. Oh, $215. You never paid it? Not yet. So when do you plan on paying? Why are you asking her? I'm asking you, I got your money. You take care of finances because he can't. I do. Yeah. Go ahead, man. What's your name? Let's go. Stand up, please. I'm still upset about you. Yes, coming here and I don't see how you don't see that that's disrespect. City of Detroit versus Terrence Windall Loman. Case number SP 1529261. Stand over here, sir. Appearance for the record, please. It's not on the docket. He's supposed to be here next week.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Loman.
Terrence Windell Loman.
He must have known that I'm not going to be here next week. I'm going on out of town, so he came in today. And he rushed in. He rushed in. He was going to play a pickup game of basketball before he figured he was going to come down here. Right, Mr. Loman?
I guess so, yeah.
Let's call it today the date and time set for a pretrial. I've already given you the opportunity to pay this stuff.
Okay, but
State your name for the record, please.
Okay, we came down here Thursday, but everything was down included, everything paid at something. Like,
come here.
Next to
That microphone, please.
behind your husband.
Okay, go ahead.
We came down here Thursday, right?
State your name again.
Ruth Miller.
Okay.
We came down here Thursday to pay that something you told us to pay, but the computers and everything was down and all courtroom closed.
Oh, well, so you got the 2-something now, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Go down there and pay.
And that's it?
Well, he still owes 110 and 175,
That's it?
but the 215 is what's really holding him up.
Okay, after he paid the two, how much he got for 215?
You're just gonna pay exactly what he's gotta pay, huh?
Yeah.
Right.
But you're still gonna owe the 110 and
I'll be
175.
paying the next month.
Yeah, you haven't paid this in years. All right, 215, and then it will be, wait 48 to 72 hours, and then come back on September 19th. Hopefully by that time you have a valid license. I don't know what else is holding you up. I know that this is holding you up. So pay that 215, wait 48 to 72 hours, approach the Secretary of State. If the Secretary of State does not give you a license, then you can ask them everything that's affecting your driver's license. They should be able to give you a printout. And then you'll have until September 19th to take care of the stuff. I guess I'm talking to him. I'm talking to you through him. All right. Yeah, because he's not, I don't know what he's gonna do.
I told him, really, you gotta go Zoom. You don't have to come down here. You know,
He said that last time.
he said, cause you paid the wrong ticket last time.
Yeah.
That's what that was.
See, he doesn't have a clue. Don't come into court, please. I don't know why. I don't know. You know, you got much more years on me than me. You're 11 years older than I am.
What?
And I would never come to court like that.
Yes, sir. I said yes.
Now you said yes, sir, ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
What's wrong with him?
I don't know. Maybe you're nervous.
I kind of think he almost looks like he doesn't care. You see how I can conclude that? Have a good day, Mr. McMillan and Mr. Long.
Okay, that's all we gotta do. Go downstairs.
Pay the 215, wait 48 to 72 hours. You should be able to. Don't talk to her through, you talk to me. This is your stuff.
Do I get that off?
Okay.
That's the no insurance civil. All right.
Thank you.
What's the next court date?
September. I don't know. Ain't what he said.
September sometime, huh? September 19th. Can you give him some paperwork now?
Yes.
So he can,
Yeah.
here, you need to print it out?
Mr. Long, correct?
Mr. Long.
Yeah, no, I got it.
All right, thank you so much. All right, have a good day, Beth. Best of luck with both of you.
You too.
Where are we now? Amanda Lee, this is the city of Detroit versus Amanda LaFonda Lee. Case numbers SP 147-88221, SP 149-23631, SP 147-8811, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 149-23632. Appearance for the record, please.
May I please court Vassal? Oh, sorry. Is this Amanda Lee?
Yes.
Okay.
Amanda Lee.
Yeah. May I please the court? Vassal Johnson II, P72130 on behalf of Ms. Lee. She's present on Zoom, Judge.
All right, Ms. Lee, state your name for the record, please.
Amanda Lee.
Stay as the date and time set for a pretrial. Did you come to a resolution or not?
Judge, no, just we want to set it for a bench trial, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lee?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to give you a bench trial date of October the 11th, 2024 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
Have a very good day, Ms. Lee. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, you too. Bye-bye.
Kevin Smith, how can we help you?
How you doing, Your Honor? This is Officer Smith, badge 5080 from the 11th precinct.
Mr. Officer Smith, morning to you. You're here on Gaskew. Normally I would say you missed the bus because I got a half-hour grace period for officers. 9 o'clock is set, whatever it's set for, 9 or 8:30. I give you a half-hour grace period. Then we close the window. But since Mr. Gaskew didn't show, then I'm not going to hold you to that either. So Mr. Gaskew has a few more minutes, and we'll let you guys go if they don't show up.
Okay, appreciate it.
Let's see, Lynn. This is not you for Tierra Glenn, is it, Mr. Johnson?
No, Your Honor, I had Miss Owens, Jemiah Owens. It was a no response.
City of Detroit versus Tierra Glenn, case number SB 1059891, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1578984, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Pauline Sroki. Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Glenn.
Tierra Glenn.
Good morning to you today. Go ahead.
My client would stand mute, Your Honor.
You enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. Either your client gets an updated offer because the driver's license suspended, old driver's license suspended, and no insurance misdemeanors were not on the docket today. We do have an offer for the 2 that were. You have an absolute right to a trial. Why don't you get an updated offer from Ms. Glenn? I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry, and with Ms. Glenn, and you can wait on Mr. Berry. All right, Ms. Glenn. All right. What about Miss Owens? What are you going to do with Miss Owens?
It's a no response. So I would, if Your Honor wants to give me time to write a letter, otherwise.
Have you ever talked to her at all?
Last time was in May.
And you've gone over this. I'll show cause her.
Okay.
I don't know what date the show cause is going to be though. You?
So I got directed. We forgot
let's see if she has a license. Let's see if she has a license. If she has a license, then I won't put a warrant out.
Okay.
If she doesn't have a license, then I'm gonna put a warrant out.
Yes.
Hold on to Judge Bryan's just see if they need some help too. Please. no license, so. City of Detroit versus Jemiah Monet Lynchell Owens, case number SB 1547706, counts 1, 2, and 3. Hearing for the record, please.
Mayor, please court Vassal Johnson II on behalf of Ms. Jemiah Owens.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. You indicated to the court that you have had contact with your client, and I'm assuming that this date was relayed to them. Client's not, your client doesn't, her license is expired, so maybe this failure to appear warrant will get our attention. All right.
Just for the court's aware, she did send us some documentation regarding pictures back in May, and we had court in May, but that was the last time. And yes, the notices were sent via text and email.
Very well. All right, if there's nothing further, we'll see if we can find her.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
All right. Is right. What changes? What changes? You said okay?
I'll be right back.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Glenn. Ms. Glenn, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Mr. Barry, we're back on the record with Ms. What does Ms. Glenn want to do?
Your Honor, she seeks the appointment of counsel for purposes of trial.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Glenn?
Yes.
All right, can I get a phone number from you, please?
Yes, 810-333-3053.
3050?
3053.
3053. Okay, I'm gonna give you a trial date of October 11, 2024. I need you to look out and leave your line open and answer the calls that you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney within about 2 weeks, then you need to get back in touch with the court and let us know that that attorney hasn't contacted you. I don't want you to come back to other people today and they didn't already have talked to an attorney, okay?
Okay.
All right. Can we get that? That's on that.
Yes.
All right, so answer the calls, all right, Ms. Glenn?
Okay. Thank you.
Very good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
The 11th is the next day.
Mr. Lomas, was I supposed to put time on this parking license?
$215.
Okay, that's what I thought. I was just making sure.
It's just a little. All right, I think, that should conclude the morning. I don't, we've got everybody else's show.
Have a good day, Your Honor.
And
Wait a minute, Judge. You broke your record again? Are you breaking your
No,
record?
I don't think this is a record, but this is a good day. Good morning, everyone. Everyone is excused now. None of the people have shown, so all the officers are excused. I wish you to have a very good day and all be safe out there, all right?
Thank you. We appreciate you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, officers. I
Yes,
appreciate
sir.
everybody. Take care, everybody. Thank you.
All right,
Take care,
thank you.
Judge. Take care, court.
Thank you.
All right, Mrs. Siwoki, can you tell your brother that his client never showed?
Yeah, I'll send
He
him.
was supposed to come back in. I know he's probably tied up in another court, so it will just tell you to appear.
Okay, thank you. I'll be back this afternoon.
All right, have a good day.